Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Aquarius, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 18 to 24, 2023. This is a general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate. Maaring hindi, just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin ang inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Para sa iba pang mensahe, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see, Aquarius, what do we have for you? September 18 to 2024. Waterfall. May ile-let go. Scorpion. And then we have Storm. Okay, so itong waterfall is about letting go of, release. Letting go of something that is no longer serving your highest good. This is also about transformation. So, maaring merong nagtatransform, merong endings, may new beginnings for you. Okay? Maaring you are letting go of your old self para i-embrace mo ang bagong ikaw. It's like a new version of yourself. This is also about being able to accept who you really are, like embracing your real self. And ito rin yung time na may nag-open na bagong opportunities for you because you are letting go of the old and embracing the new. So there's new opportunities for you, Aquarius. And then the Scorpion energy is about passion. This is about your brilliance, anything mysterious about you, lalo mong natutuklasan yung totoong ikaw. And I think meron kang i-embrace na passionate na endeavor. This can be related to your work, to your career, or you are letting go of a relationship or a connection from the past, and dito ka magkakaroon ng opportunity to embrace a new connection, a new relationship, or a potential partnership, romantic connection in the future. Kasi with the storm here, it seems na meron kang napagdaanan na challenge in the past that required strength, no? Kinailangan mong maging malakas, maging matatag, at maging confident. So, you are transitioning. May pagbabago. May lumilipat ka na sa isang mas magandang sitwasyon, unlike before. Lalo na kung you are willing to let go of anything that is no longer serving your highest good dun sa past na yon. You have the King of Pentacles. So, ang focus mo ngayon is what is realistic, what is practical, what is making sense for you. So, yung iba, related sa career. So, maaring meron kang nilet go na trabaho na alam mong it's kind of toxic and it just, you just feel like hindi yun para sa'yo. And now, you are embracing a new you, someone who's very creative, na kung saan yung creativity mo will bring abundance sa'yo. You also have the 9 of Swords. So, I think meron ka pa ring mga thoughts, no? Or negative thoughts na pwedeng gumugulo sa isip mo ngayon. Na kailangan mo nang i-let go yan and focus on a new opportunity that is going to be opening up for you. You have the Lovers. May commitment. There's commitment. You have the 9 of Wands. Some of you, meron kayong gustong ipaglaban. Oo, isang bagay, tao, sitwasyon na mahal mo. And yung iba sa inyo, you are trying hard. You are trying your best to stay in this situation. But I think eventually, you will marirealize mo na hindi pala worth it. Marirealize mo yung halaga mo. Marirealize mo yung kailangang action na gawin mo to feel better. Alam mo yun? Oo. Parang I'm hearing enough is enough. It's time to take control of your life. You have the Sun in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Meron kang i-explore. This is a time for exploration. Learning something new. Ito yung magbibigay sa'yo ng confidence sa sarili mo because you know better, you know more, at you are experiencing more. You also have Mercury in Virgo in the 6th house, which is caution. Maging maingat ka pa rin because there are still some energies around you who are trying to distract you. Parang dinidistract ka sa mga plano mo. Pwedeng ito yung mga ex na kahit na nilet go mo na, nandyan pa rin. Naglilinger pa rin or nagpaparamdam pa rin. Kung talagang wala na, let go na. Para maka-move on na. 'Di ba? Kasi parang ikaw rin magpapahirap sa sarili mo eventually if you keep coming back to that same cycle na wala naman talagang nagbabago. 'Di ba? So, anong i-expect mo doon? May magbabago ba doon? Kung same pa rin yung setup. Okay? This can be sa career, this can be sa relationship. Take whatever resonates. Diamond light activations and new energies are coming your way. So, may mga bagong energies raw na parating sa inyo. Be open to receive and welcome them in. I-welcome nyo yan. This can be mga bagong ideas, bagong inspiration, na kung saan magli-lead sa'yo sa bagong direction. Soul growth, Llama. Growth is never easy. Have faith and trust in the journey. Yes. Ito namang mga changes na to sa buhay natin, yung mga nila-let go na yan, mga endings and new beginnings, that's part of our growth. Kasi kung walang change, walang growth, 'di ba? Example, may tinanim ka na seed. Kung walang nagbago doon, hindi yun mag-grow. Syempre, makikita mo na mag-grow yun pag may nagbago na sa kanya kasi tumubo na siya. Ganon. So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.